This is how to use Bitmoji Deluxe and customize your Bitmoji with all the new options. I'm Josh Smith with GotToBeMobile.com. First thing you need to do is open Bitmoji and tap on Settings in the upper left-hand corner. From there, you're going to look about 2/3 of the way down the screen. There's a little face split icon and it says Change Avatar Style. Tap on that. And it's going to open up. It's going to take you straight to Bitmoji Deluxe. You can also go to Bitstrips or Bitmoji Classic, but we want to go with Use This Style. Tons of new options for skin tone. You can also take a selfie. So I'm going to tap the camera button. And then I'm going to take a picture, and then I can actually pull myself up next to the Bitmoji that I'm trying to create, and I can scroll around. I can find the skin tone that I want, and then I can swipe, and I can find the hair color that I want. And I can also find the hairstyle. There's lots of new hairstyles and hair treatments and stuff like that. Once you have the one you want, you can swipe over. If there's a hair treatment, you can apply it here. There's also new facial hair options. Some attempting to grow a beard here. We could add a little bit of stubble. No facial hair color since I don't have an actual beard. Now you can change your eye shape. There's lots of new shapes, colors, eyelash options, and you can really kind of customize not only the eye size and shape, or not only eye shape, but also the eye size to better match your picture here. You can change the eye spacing, and there's lots of cool new eye color options to match what you have going on. And what's really great is, since we're all tied in directly to this selfie right here, I can tap, I can compare, I can tap over here and change around what I'm seeing. And I can also change some of the nose options, glasses for when I'm wearing glasses, and you can even change your jaw slightly with some of these new options. You're going to be able to get a Bitmoji that looks more like you than before, and it's pretty cool. There's a lot of options, so it's something you're going to spend a lot of time playing around with. And you can even change your overall face shape, and just lots of cool new options. You really need to get in there and work on them and try and figure out if this Bitmoji looks like you. And from there, you can even add eyeshadow, blush, lipstick, lots of new headwear and body type options. So just really dive in, find what you want, and when you're ready, you can pick your look and hit that check mark, and that's your new Bitmoji. You can go in and change that again by tapping in the upper right where there's a little face with a pencil, and that'll take you back into the options, and you can get started changing all of that again. So that's all there is to it. You can change as much as you want. If you tap on the t-shirt in the upper right, you'll be able to change what your Bitmoji is wearing. So that's really all there is to it, and you can check out more in a link down in the description below.